Hello, we are online. I will just post this also in Facebook. And then we will do the refinery for phase 3. Let's check the health of our stream. YouTube is fine. What does Twitch tell us? Twitch is also happy. That is great. Welcome to the stream. First, I want to get the industrial manufacturing milestone. For that, I will also need some cables. Cables are here. But I have no I have space left in the inventory. And the plastic is missing. Do I have something that I can store here? Yes. Aliens. I don't need aliens at the moment. Let's go here. We don't have plastic. We only have an oil station. So let's get rid of all the stuff. Let's throw it into our milestone. Here. We only need plastic, a bit of plastic. There is no plastic here. Fine. Can I deconstruct it from here? No. So we have a train station and we have no factory yet for all the nice plastic products. And actually I want to make a nice small octagon here. Maybe an octagon is a bit too much. We will build this factory from here. There are evil animals down there, right? Let's go. Where are you? Oh, peaceful nature. So let's build something here. So much peaceful nature. I think we just need to build over it. Do I have? Yes, I have a nice hotbar for this purpose. So Up there, I used for one floor 3 walls. Three walls. And if I put the wall here, the mountain will be in the way. So, concrete. Let's make this very concrete. The nature has to go. This will be a refinery. And this is just for getting down the oil, but the real stuff will happen here. Probably I should cut away those trees, but on the other hand it looks funny. Poor nature, that is the destiny of all nature in Satisfactory. Not enough concrete. Such a pity. But it's not so important. What did I say that I need? Actually, I need plastic. Missing copper sheets. Missing everything. Do I have a copper sheet production in here? Not yet. I think not yet. That's what's missing. So we have plenty of copper sheets on the other side. Let's see. Can we build? What does our plan say? 1.5 copper sheets. The copper sheets, they are 1 floor up. I should make more signs. Yes, copper is here. Let's look into the planner. We have cables, we have wires, we have no sheets. What does our planner say? The planner. We have 4 smelters. We're supposed to have 4 smelters and 6 wires. Four smelters. We put 5, okay. Wires, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6 wires, yes. 2 cables. Let's look at the plan again. 2 cable constructors and 1.5 copper sheet constructors. I think it's as good a time as any time to create the copper sheet constructors. we need just 2. Snap it. Splitter. Oh, not so nice, but it will work. And here there is enough space for merging. Merging copper sheets. Copper sheet. Ctrl C, Ctrl V. And one of them is half speed. Otherwise we pull too much copper. We don't want to pull so much copper. So then let's insert a power pole here. And we are happily producing copper sheets. Smart splitter, AI limiter. For now we don't need the copper sheets in a special. For now we put the copper sheets in here. Because I wanted to build 2 refineries, so I need 40 copper sheets. That will take a bit, but I can do something else in the meantime. I wanted to get also plastics. For that I need a refinery. I also need logistics, no, fluid buffer. I need more copper sheets apparently. Two refineries for rubber, 2 for plastic, so we need 4 refineries. I will get my copper sheets from the old mall. I still have it. Time for some hypertubing. And I will dismantle this one. It was just for demonstration purposes. There is no reason for leaving it floating around. Here is my train track, so nice. Up the mountain. This mountain was not intended for a train track. Copper sheets. Let's get a few of them. Is there anything else that we should save from here? take all. No, I cannot take all. I have no obelisks. And I have circuit boards already. I take the computers and the circuit boards. The Mercer sphere is wiggling. That's funny. And I take the power shard. Who knows? Fully charged. Actually, I can connect that mall. I let that mall do what it usually does. Who knows? This way I can save some time later if I have already more material that I forgot in the main mall, like the copper sheets. Encased industrial beam is the next missing thing. We only have this in the main factory. And versatile framework could already be delivered. No, plastics we don't have, but a few things I will store here. Encased industrial beam. Where is the encased industrial beam? No. Yes. 800. Now that's a good amount. We don't need so many. And I can give back some steel. Because we don't need so much now. The first part of the train is built. When we build another train, we will need more. And I wanted to activate the versatile framework. That is on the top floor. Actually, it's not on the top floor. This is the smart plating. The versatile framework should be here. Yes. Switching it on. We switched it off for power reasons. And now we will happily continue to feed our space elevator with versatile framework. Let's look at our planner. The plan said 2 assemblers versatile framework. And we have 2 assemblers versatile framework. And both are on 100%. Good, so the versatile framework should increase. This one is constructing, that's also good. And actually, now refinery. Plastic refineries. Two plastic refineries. and they're missing concrete. Anyway, 2 plastic refineries. This is the train track. That's a bit ugly that the train track is here. Let's make this concrete. I should not forget to bring concrete. And I want to get rid of that. But I can still build my plastic refineries. So, where is this monster? Below. No, that's not nice. Will he come up? No. Next try, next attempt, plastic refinery. So, pipe. We have a pipe because we need a pipe. Plastic refinery. Plastic from crude oil with heavy oil residue. Good. This one as well. We are coming down from here. We will need another junction. No, maybe we will just continue in that direction. Let's leave some space. Sounds good. Looks good. Our refinery should refine. Yes, they refine. But they will stop because of the residual fuel residue. No problem. Fluid buffer is our solution. Fluid buffer. Is here. Does the fluid buffer intersect with the train? No. Great. So, but the fluid buffer intersects fluid buffer number 2. And now the big question, how to get out these plastics with the fluid buffer, with the pipeline. No, that's not elegant. Too steep. I'm allowed to put it here, but not like this. No, that is not nice. Clipping too steep. No. So I can forget this fluid buffer. I need to relocate it. And for that I need concrete. But we have concrete. We have plenty of concrete. Here, 12,000. That's enough. Back to the crime scene. Looks good from above, but it's not good. And here I wanted to replace the stuff with thin foundations. Thanks, Fixit, for making this possible. I'm too lazy to remove the station and build it again. Now, what was the problem? The problem was we have to get out our items somehow. Merger. Let's say we merge them out here. Then let's say we do this. Is this nice? Tell me, is this nice? Better than the previous solution. And now maybe I can glue on a junction here. No, I cannot. No, that's a bit sad. I cannot glue on a junction here. Yes. How did it snap? Where do I need to point that it snaps? Snap. Control snap. So, yes. Here. That is difficult. That should be improved. No, the fluid buffer. If I put the fluid buffer down, it will not pump up, right? The fluid buffer needs to be up. Let's put it up. I guess it needs to be up. Current amount. Good. Why did we do this? To get plastic. At least in the short term. Also in the long term, of course. But to get plastic for industrial manufacturing milestone. So we have 2 plastic refineries. Done. The fuel goes to stock. We have 1.5 copper sheet. Yes. The rubber refineries. We don't have rubber refineries. That was a lie. The rubber refineries we build now. Rubber. 1.75. Can I just enter this? Yes. Thanks a lot for that possibility. Why can I eat the barrel nut although I'm not damaged? Maybe it's just healthy. Wrong. Totally wrong. Come on, why do they look different? This is the output. Oh no. That's the advantage of Factorio. You can just rotate the buildings that you have already built. It doesn't need to be realistic. Sometimes, yeah, comfort is more important. So in this power pole, we just built here. Power line. I'm copying from the existing building, so I just put the middle button, and with that I build the same again. This way I don't search so much in the menus. Rubber 75. I build random stuff. Again, we have the same issue here. We need to merge for the rubber. And we need to get the residual fuel out somehow. And now the finicky thing. Yes. Yes. Yeah, if you know where to point, it's okay. And we have 1.75 rubber refineries. How much plastic? We have enough plastic for this milestone. How about the rubber? Actually, we want to put this rubber and this plastic into the main factory. Because in the end we will make our main factory larger. And refineries are tall buildings. We learn refineries cannot be built like factories. No, 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 they cannot. So we store the rubber and later we connect. There is a time for everything. So we have the rubber refineries. Now we create residual fuel that we will stock. The residual fuel, how do I create this? I need another refinery. Let's just see what's the recipe. So the rubber creates heavy oil residue. This creates from polymer resin. I don't have polymer resin, but we can create polymer resin from crude oil, polymer resin and fuel. From 6 cubic meters crude oil, we directly create fuel from 6 cubic meters. But we can, from heavy oil residue, we can create fuel. We will do that. 60 per minute heavy oil residue. How much do I create here? 20 per minute. We have 240, 10 per minute, 20. That's exactly 60. So we need only one refinery to create fuel from the residue. That's great. That's great. And this refinery will be built in the reverse direction, because I feed the residue from here. In a totally elegant way, I feed the residue in here. We will donate one more. One more foundation here. We will also give power to this nice one. Residual fuel. So now this fuel is a problem. It is a liquid. I thought I can put it into my chainsaw. No, I cannot. I need to package the fuel. I remember there was packaged fuel. So for now, we just put it into a fluid buffer and hope that it will not be too much. Now let's check physics. Okay, from 6 cubic meters we create 4 cubic meters. That's good. And the trash goes to the atmosphere. As usual, how nice. Take all. How full is our fluid buffer? Okay. It will get full. We need to find a way to use this fuel. Maybe we can generate power from that. There is not yet. There will be another reason to do more research. This AI limiter, I need this one. And we have the rebar. Good. Going up to the research. Industrial manufacturing. And now, fluid packaging. I should build a jetpack. Future is starting to look bright. I want fluid packaging. And I have everything that I need for fluid packaging. petroleum power. Oh, this is a bigger buffer. Anyway, we need to research everything in any case. 600 fluid per minute. How was the other one? $300. Half. Okay. Yes, fluid packaging is next. And I create a jetpack. For the jetpack, I need motors. What does our planner say about motors? Fuel stock. Not yet. We cannot package it yet, but we have more or less fluid stock. Motors. 0.8 motor assemblers for the modular engine. But I need motors for many other things, so I will put the motors. I have 2 motor assemblers at the moment. And I will just keep them here. I will do this when I integrate everything. Jetpack. Here is my workshop. No, that's the wrong one. Special. Equipment workshop. I guess here I can create a jetpack. Yes. 1 jetpack, please. I need only 1. Jetpack. Where do I put the jetpack? Not to the head, not to the body, to the back. Apparently. And there is no fuel. Settings. Preferred fuel. Solid biofuel. There is no solid biofuel. Yes, because I use it for the chainsaw. I use it for the chainsaw. And now I have the chainsaw with me. So, fluid packaging milestone, I need to wait for this to come back. Copper sheets I have. Circuit board, 1 circuit board. How do I create circuit boards? 2 inputs. So I need an assembler. Copper sheets and plastic. So I need plastic. plastic is from here. So I will make my input, plastic input storage here, like here is the stone input. I will create a plastic input. How much plastic do we need? (12 plus 20) less than 60. So mark 1. Now they will attack me. I already can hear it. I need to build a foundation here. Foundation that snaps to the grid. Then I can make a nice continuation of this. No. Straight. Good. That was the plan. Plan executed successfully. Conveyor belt is too long. Does not matter. Too steep. Does not matter. We could do it to here. No, we don't want this. Let's fill everything with concrete. I like it. This is allowed. Is this good? Why not? Straight. Straight plastic. And we have a plastic delivery. And now in parallel we will build the rubber delivery. Because we will need rubber. Again, the planner. Rubber we need to create a modular engine, 30 per minute. So let's do this immediately. We are already here, we can do that. We are here. Let's build it in parallel to make it really nice. So, really nice. And once all of this is finished, we will probably find out that we don't have enough oil, or we don't have enough anything else. Yes, I can hear the bees. So, let's destroy this one. And this one as well. And this one as well. Not enough space. Okay. These conveyor belts are not parallel. Why? Why? Why not? I mean, they are good here. They are not good downstairs. That is very annoying. I will try to build only the conveyor belt pole. Now that is too much on this side. I will try to make this beautiful. Once this time I'm trying to make things beautiful. For that, let's get rid of all the things that we don't need immediately. So if I build it from up to down, it doesn't allow me. So rotate. No, it doesn't allow me to build in the other direction. What a pity. It should be possible, right? So. Hologram. No. No. I cannot nudge it to the right to make this parallel. Okay. It is doomed to be ugly. It is totally doomed. Exactly. Why is it ugly? Missing iron plates. It could fit here. Why did this one? So. Missing 22 iron plates. I'm sorry, dear Foundation. I'm building you again. Maybe I can now use the... Yes, it works. Jetpack. Jetpack. What happens? It's the wrong fuel. Maybe it's the wrong fuel. Anyway, we have enough iron here. So I built this from up to down. Let's build again from up to down. Let's see if it looks different. No. Straight mode. No. Looks different. Default mode. Straight mode. Both different than the original one. How is this possible? Because of that. Straight mode is ugly. Yeah, because it is not totally in parallel. It wants to be totally in parallel. But it cannot snap because this foundation is too low. So now there should be a way to do it. That is beautiful. So, now that's done. Of course. Beauty needs some sacrifices. So I have to build that again, but it's fine. And it's the wrong direction. Great. It's the wrong direction. Or is it? Yes. That's the real problem. Step by step. Now that is nice. But now that we have the foundations, now that we have the connection points, maybe... No, this is again ugly. Default build mode. That is also ugly. I have to build from up to down. There is no other way. So, belt lift. No, that was wrong. I want to have the belt lift in the right height on top. So I will go and check. Where are we? We are nowhere. Jetpack. Jetpack, can you help me? So now can I fly in here? Is it strong enough? Yes. Let's say this is our rubber input. Nothing to do. Let's put it 90 degrees. That's maybe better. Don't want to mess up the corner so much. And I don't understand why this now looks different again. I totally don't understand this. I built both in the same way. No. Let's talk about consistency. Yeah, if I don't build it, if I build the conveyor belt pole with the belt, the shape is different. That is amazing. That is not good, but I mean, that could be worse, of course. Good. I guess that's also the reason for this difference, but I will not solve this difference. How about... Oh. Something was left. Ah, I also promised to remove this spaghetti when I have trains. Ho ho ho. I should do this. This is the rubber place. And this is the plastic place. So, does it work? Oh, the rubber is a bit slow. Where's our leftover crate? Here. Circuit board. And actually, we can do the next research. We just waited for the shuttle to come back. Fluid packaging. Let's say petroleum power. Actually, I don't need this jetpack yet. And where did I leave? Where did I leave my parachute? Bump. I guess I left it here. Yes. And the chainsaw is not the most necessary thing. Circuit boards. Circuit boards are created from copper sheets and plastic. So the plastic is here. Let's just lift the plastic and see where we have to go. We can put one assembler into many places. So if we go through here, that is very ugly. No. Let's not do that. We can put a bit of buffer distance here. Or we do it on the roof. We do it on the roof. The copper sheets are actually in this direction. They are far in this direction. Let's build until here. And the copper sheets are not on this floor, not on this floor, not on this floor. We need to go up 3 floors to get to the copper sheets. Or we bring the copper sheets down. What will we use the circuit boards for? Circuit boards go into computer, again with plastic and with cable. Sorry for messing up the screen. And this goes into the adaptive control unit. Now we go up. We go up to this floor. We go up to this floor. Let's try to go up exactly here. Looks quite bad with all the arrows showing. Surprise, surprise. No, that's good. That is good. Can we go further up? What happens on this floor? This floor is also good. We will go to the roof of this floor. And somewhere here the copper sheets should be. So we build the copper sheets from upstairs. Was there a way to go up? No, anyway. So here are the copper sheets. Here there are the copper sheets. The copper sheets are here. The copper sheets are here, not at the right place. Let's first build the assembler. Circuit board. One assembler for circuit boards. With plenty of space all around of it. Circuit board, copper sheet and plastic. And how about the computer? Plastic only goes into computer and circuit board. How do we build a computer? A computer has 3 ingredients. It's a big building and I don't have this building yet. No, I have it. Manufacturer. Missing 50 plastic. Okay, we can get 50 plastic easily, but yeah, this will fit here. That's fine. But it's not fine that we built our plastic line to go up here. That was useless. Even that was useless. We will build it from upstairs. Do I have enough plastic? Yes. Overlapping blueprint designer. Oh, this is also bad. That building is so high. How high is that building? Let's check it out. Alright, the blueprint designer I can remove. Yeah, it's big. I have to remove the blueprint designer. And I will add another floor. Let's check the hologram. So here we will get in our plastic. So we can get closer. It's fine. Bigger, better, fix it. Computer. And 50%, but it will not get enough input anyway. Cable. And now, how did we mess up our top floor? I think I will have to put the whole top floor a bit higher. That's... Hello manufacturer. We proudly present the manufacturer. The manufacturer proudly presents itself. Okay, we will fix it later. Fix it later. That's the plan. Another plan is that we get plastics from here. And that we get the plastics from the floor below. And now we will connect it to our plastics input. This is a very ugly intersection. So we will run in parallel from here to somewhere here. Where we can go down. Yes, there's a lot of space here. A lot of space. And hello, here's my plastic. This is not ideal, but it is good enough for now. The versatile frameworks are slowly filling up. And petroleum power. Do I have a power issue actually? Actually, I should first do the packaging of the fuel, then I can... No, I don't have a power issue. So maybe petroleum power is not the best choice for the next milestone. Fluid packaging. I will package the fluid. Yes. No, I don't need any of this immediately. Maybe the logistics Mark IV is the best guess. Modular frames. And I want a fluid packager. Missing 10 rubber. Okay. Missing 10 rubber. Rubber. Oh, if I'm already here, I can take the required modular frames. We need 100. Of course, the modular frames I'm taking now. Before I just took the encased industrial beams. So, milestone. And then we build the packager. Milestone and then packaging. The packager is the reason that there is no rubber coming up anymore, because I guess both fluid buffers are full. Come on, one modular frame is missing. How is that possible? I never thought I would manually craft another modular frame. Okay. Next milestone. For Caterium scanning. So I'm a bit lazy, so I will just build the packager here. No, I want a packager. Is this also an unpackager? Probably. Packaged fuel. Now I need empty canisters. That is unfair. How to create canisters? From plastic. That is actually nice. So we have some plastic. Ho ho ho. So now I'm doing things that I never planned to do, which is also fine. more space for the plastic. Now we build a constructor for plastic canister, because why not? If it is necessary, we build it. Very beautiful. Very, very beautiful. So we remove that line. And let's just connect it here. And the empty canisters. The source of our happiness. The player is in the way. I know. Two package fuel. So what we get is lots of fuel that we could use in the jetpack. In the jetpack. I just hope that's true. Come to me. There it is. Time to use the rebar gun. That's it, 2 shots. That's good. Of course, now I'm here, now I don't have the chainsaw. Doesn't matter. Fuel. Fuel is good. And now I would like to control this splitter so that it gives plastic to the canister if we have too much fuel in the buffer. Otherwise plastic production will stop, but that's more a factorial feature. That's also fine. Petroleum power. No, I didn't want to do the research actually. I want to continue with this monster here. We want to create circuit boards. Oh, it fit into my inventory. Yes. But that was not elegant. I need a smart splitter. Because I want to put the overflow copper sheets to stock. Missing rotor. Here is my rotor factory. Smart splitter. We will actually need a few of these because I want to put the leftover circuit boards and the leftover copper sheets and the leftover computers should go to stock. So the circuit boards. The circuit boards are produced here. No power. We will change that. We will definitely change that. And now we should be soon. No, smart splitter is not configured. Left output, any. Center output, overflow. So the overflow makes our storage area happy. But it overlaps. Let's just build another one. They are not expensive. And actually, I don't want to build a Mark II. Why am I building a Mark II? They are even less expensive. So, again overlapping. No. I have to move a tiny bit to the side and it will work. So let's do that. A tiny bit to the side. And now we overlap here. Probably. Do we? No. And we don't overlap here. And we don't overlap here. We overlap with this one. Nothing to do. This will be our circuit board storage. Okay. No, copper sheets. Copper sheets small number 2. And nothing is coming from above. Yes, because everything is transformed into circuit boards at the moment. "15 copper sheets per minute." And I have 5 per minute here and 10 per minute here, 15. So it exactly takes everything that we produce. So we will not have an overflow in that case. That is not good. Let's put that up. Then we have 10. 10 per minute. Then we have 20 per minute. So 5 per minute we should have overflow. If we have enough copper. But so far it looks good, because the other copper lines are inactive. Okay, circuit boards. Circuit boards go into the computer together with cable and plastic. Another AI limiter. Smart splitter. No. Smart splitter comes here. How many plastic can this manufacturer store? I want half a computer manufacturer. Let's look at our plan. The planner says we need 0.3 computer manufacturers, and I now put 0.5. Let's put a bit more, 0.75. For a bit of overflow, our smart splitter left is any, center is overflow. Circuit boards for overflow. And we intersect. How nicely. How nice. But I remember. So here. Can we go down here? It's an attempt. Yes, yes. And we have a storage. We have a storage for circuit boards. The only thing left to do is putting cables into the computer manufacturer. Cables. And this is our cable factory. Overflow is right. Center is any. Here we are. So we split. No, we don't split like that. We split this line. Yes, indeed. Spaghetti. Spaghetti is coming into the manufacturer. Spaghetti is good. Tasty, tasty spaghetti. Cable. And we should start to produce computers. Computers, and the overflow of computers goes to stock. What do we use the computer for? For the adaptive control unit. 0.8 computers per minute. Now that is a surprise. No, that's not a surprise, because we got 1.8 per minute, which is twice what you need. Maybe, yes. So this goes to adaptive control unit, which is another manufacturer, which takes circuit boards, computers, automated wirings and heavy modular frames. That will be a big monster. Maybe we can put it here. In any case, we will have to remove this upper floor. But that's fine. For now, we store the computers. Computer, yummy! It is constructing computers. Computers. What would we do without computers? We would not play Satisfactory. Petroleum power. 200 plastics and a few motors. The smart plating factory is standing still. This is the plastic. This is the rubber. There is nothing coming up. Why not? Are the fluid buffers full? Flush. We have enough crude oil. We don't have enough canisters. That's the real problem. We don't have enough canisters. We have to get rid of this. We have to build a fuel power plant. So, do I have my jetpack with me? No. I left it up here. Jetpack. Let's try this jetpack. But packaged fuel. Why should I use the fuel that does not let me fly so much? Supercomputer. Okay. Now let's try to fly up. So why? I can only go that far. Okay. I have to stand in between. Yeah, that's a bit sad, but I'm sure it will get better. That's why I have hypertubes. Motor and no plastic. Of course, no plastic. But we have computers. We have plastic here. We steal the plastic. We steal the plastic from here. Do I have this? No, I don't have this petroleum power yet. Because this is a good way to, yeah, because I'm currently researching this, this is a good way to get rid of fuel. Anyway, so that's it for today. Let's have a second look at this sheet. We have circuit boards, we have computers, we have not put the overflow of the computers to stock yet, but we have put the overflow. There are 5 instances of overflow. We have rubber, plastic, copper, circuit board. We have done 4 of them. And the next steps will be to put the computer overflow to stock, to build heavy modular frame, adaptive control unit and modular engine, and then phase 3 is done. So in the next stream we will finish phase 3 for sure. And with that, see you next time.